Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You start by locking down where and how recordings are saved. Point OBS to a fast SSD or second drive. This prevents dropped frames. Next, pick MKV or FLV as the container so crashes don't ruin files. Once done, set your canvas to 1920x1080 and choose 60 FPS for smooth motion or 30 FPS for smaller files. Finally, open Output Settings and select a sensible bitrate, around 10 Mbps for 1080p 60, and choose your encoder. Now you tune how OBS encodes and records. If you have a modern GPU, enable NVENC or AMF to offload work. Otherwise, use X264 and pick a preset that balances CPU usage. Then set CBR with a stable bitrate and keyframe interval of 2 seconds. Make sure your downscale filter is Lanczos for sharpness. For audio, add noise suppression and a compressor on your mic track. Set monitoring on, and adjust gain so peaks sit near -6 dB, but never clip. Finish by running a focus test recording and watch it all the way through. You need to verify sync, bitrate stability, and that no frames dropped. If you see stutter, reduce bitrate or switch encoder. After a good test, remux MKV to MP4 for editing. If files corrupt or record fails, update GPU drivers and OBS, then try a different container or encoder and lower the bitrate. The key troubleshooting tip: always test changes with short recordings before long sessions.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.